this is the holder.
Yes.
Cool.
And let's see. I think somewhere it's supposed to be held like that, held up like that. You know, and this is like a what I call a helping hand, a clamp. You don't, and then what will happen is you want to solder to. You may have to twist it. All right. You hold it together like that, right? And then let's see. You pull out a certain amount of solder. You pull out, I would say, no more than maybe a foot or 8 inches.
So it's like a metal hook.
Yeah. All right. And then now, here's the fun part. I'm plug that in, and it's going to take a little bit of time to heat up. And what's going to happen is you take your solder, you hold your solder, you're right-handed, right?
Yes.
With your left hand, and then you're going to put your heat source. This is going to be the heat source. You're going to put that behind your wire. So like, all right, let's say that this is the soldering iron. You'll heat the piece up like that, and then you can see and you you'll touch it like that from the other side, and then take the soldering iron, and you got to pay attention so you don't burn yourself. And then you go behind the tool, your project thing, like that, and it should heat up. See that?
Yeah.
And then okay. see that?
Yeah.
And it's all right. And then as soon as you take the heat off, it'll solidify. So what's going to happen is you're going to get this hot and you test it to see if it's hot, and you saw how long it took.
Yeah.
And then
5 minutes.
yeah, and then you put it on here and you wait, and then you can see the copper and stuff start getting hot, and then you
start smoking.
yeah, and then you just touch it, and the solder just touch it, and it's kind of like an art form.
Like, so you start from the back side of the heat source.
Yeah.
And the fluid.
In the front,
Right.
and you got to heat it up, and I believe that'll be a good way of connecting the two wires together, and let's see. I'm trying to rubbing this stuff off. You need to still.
And then we'll do this. We will connect two wires together on a nail, like this. Like, let's say you want to make a circuit. You connect two wires. You have one wire like this, and you have another wire like that, and you wrap it around the nail, and then you heat it up like that. You gotta be patient.
See that?
Yep, there it goes.
Okay. It's yeah, so the reason why I wanted to do it like this is, let's say that this is the wire and this is the transistor. And the only thing you have to do is just take the little transistor wire, bend it out, and then you can either hold it together like this with this, or you can twist it together a little bit, and then you use the solder, the iron, and you put it behind, like that, and then you just and you wait, and then boom, 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 and it's soldered. And it's just as good as it's just as good as it's being one piece of wire.
This is like the best you can do.
Yeah. Now this is still hot because I can feel it.
It's been about 3 minutes.
Yeah, it's still, and if you just use your common sense,
It's like it's just like a glue gun but more advanced.
Yeah.
But I think that covers it.
Yeah.